5, 10, 15, 22, 27, 32, 33, 34, 36 kilometers. Ilan lang gusto pa? Ano, floor manager? Ano ginamit siya, ano? Ang first floor, second floor, third floor, fourth floor. Ano lang? What is a floor manager? Sige daw, sir. Now, you are applying for a floor manager. Manager naman. Are you searching? Are you searching? We're like a supervisor, di ba? Sige daw. Ang floor manager. Yes.
Ano lang, ang floor manager is sa daily
Basahan.
versus daily operation on the floor, sales area, dining room, or store room.
Okay, please supervisor. Nag-oversee. Hindi nga, ginagawa ako na. Hindi nga ikaw. Kung floor manager ka, kung floor manager ka, hindi ka talaga nagkaplapahin. What is the work of the floor manager? It is to oversee. Dataon ko dira ang imong mga sinakpan, hindi nga floor. Kaya sa kada floor, may ara na, may example, in a workplace. The first floor, ano na sila dira? Butang ka. Sa ano? Sa hospital. Sa first floor, ara sa mga offices. The second floor, mga sino nag-admin sa hospital? Wala, sino nag-admin? Sino nakasunod, nakasaka sa provincial hospital? Sige, ano ara sa second floor? You have? You have?
Nurses.
Yes, the nurses station. Naman nurses station. Ano marka? May ward, may male and female ward. Tapos, may OB ward. Wala pa dahil siguro private. Kasi sa provincial hospital, doon iba man ang wing sa private. Okay. Sa offices, may araman siya dila na floor manager. Tanaw niya, she or he is responsible kung may mga problema dila. Anong problema sa offices? The lightings, the aircon, basta trabaho niya is to oversee. Naalat at ito itadahaw. Ano ka lang po ito rin?
Example.
Ay, example. Example sa ano?
Sa floor manager.
Ay, application letter. On what work are you going to apply? What position? Hindi nga position, standing lang ang sitting position. Yeah, resume. Findings report to persuade employees to follow certain policies and procedures in order to improve performance or work. Ikaw you're the one responsible to make a report. Findings report. Okay. Next, some types of workplace writing.
Some types of workplace writing.
Types. Next, go din naman mo.
Business letters. Most common formal letter to an external recipient. Email transmissions. A more informal business administrative letter that is sent electronically to one or more recipients in or external businesses. memorandum. A more informal style of a business letter that is usually sent to one or more business colleagues employed within the same business unit or company. Reports. Financial, audit, or statistical report that identifies specific problem and present collected data, research, or recommendations for the change process in engineering process. Contract. Binding agreements or proposals between two or more parties which can become legal documents if they include an offer that is accepted. Manuals. A writer's set of instructions, procedures, or policies. PowerPoint. A software-generated visual slideshow with animated options that hosts a set of notes or bulleted points, an agenda, or other information that supports the discussion.
Okay, so yan. Are you reading? Yes, we have. May anak ka na copy. Oh, ano yung nabasa ko sa cellphone? Are you holding a cellphone? Miss Binya, is she holding a cellphone? Yes, yes. Miss Suya, now, business letters. Formal, is it external or internal? Is Miss Suya present? Present? Sige. Are you present? Sige. Kayo na nabasa, first pa lang. Wala ka ba nag-ano? Hindi ko siningon, may nagabasa dali, hindi na kamo magbasa. Okay? Exempted na kamo para magbasa. Okay, question. Are business letters? Yes. What's that? Service number? House. Yes. Okay.